guys, and welcome to the craft table. If you watched my video playing with just soap and water and alcohol, during the video, actually towards the end, I said what I should have done is used my small tiles and found out which one was doing the reacting, if it was the dish soap or if it was the alcohol. So today, that is what I'm going to do. I have two of my small tiles, and I'm going to do a small pour on each one, and then one of them I'm going to squirt with just soap and water, and the other one with just the alcohol. And I probably should make, I will take a third one and use both. So I will do a small pour just like I did on the bigger tile, and we'll find out if you have to put them together, if one will do a certain kind of cell and the other one does one cell, or maybe they won't do any cells at all. Maybe it was a fluke. We will find out. So, shall we get to work? And there you have it. I waited more than 5 minutes. I waited a good hour. The dish soap, there are a few cells, nothing like what I got with the bigger tile. The alcohol, honestly, I don't think it did anything, because these cells were already started before I even spritzed it. So I'm not sure. The alcohol and the dish soap, there is quite a bit of lacing. Remember, I'll give you a close-up at the very end, but nothing like before. But that doesn't mean it didn't work, because no matter how hard you try, you will never get the same reaction twice, ever. And excuse the noise in the background. We're supposed to get a lot of rain, so everybody's out mowing their lawns. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little experiment. I know I did. And I just love learning new things. And this was not a fail. It was a learning experience. And it was so much fun. And I really appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to pop in, say hi, laugh at my messes, and and you keep coming back. You are wonderful, wonderful people. I couldn't do it without you. You have a great week, and I promise I'll see you soon.